Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Moving away from the river's edge and towards the heart of the city's grid, Montgomery Street serves as a gateway to a deeper level of Savannah's revolutionary history. This corridor leads to Franklin Square, a space that honors the courage of those who fought for a nation's birth. But more importantly, it honors a global debt that was nearly forgotten by time. Here the history isn't just about local legends, it's about the international brotherhood of those who believe in the promise of liberty. The centerpiece of this area is the Haitian Monument, a striking bronze tribute, Chasseurs-Volontaires de Saint-Domingue. In 1779, during the Siege of Savannah, over 500 free men of color from Haiti sailed north to join the American and French forces. They weren't just soldiers, they were the largest unit of black soldiers to fight in the American Revolution. Their presence on this soil was a pivotal moment, a demonstration of solidarity in the face of overwhelming odds. The monument depicts these soldiers in mid-action, a powerful reminder that the fight for American independence was a global effort fueled by people of diverse backgrounds and origins. As you stand in the shadows of this monument, you realize that Savannah squares are more than just green spaces. They are outdoor cathedrals of memory. The men honored here returned to Haiti with the fires of revolution still burning in their hearts, eventually leading to their own nation's independence. This small patch of land in Georgia is inexplicably linked to the birth of the first free black republic in the world. It's a story of courage that transcends borders and centuries. The surrounding Montgomery Street area reflects this layer of resilience. This part of the city has witnessed a slow, steady march of progress, from the early days of colonial defense to the vibrant multicultural city Savannah has become today. The air here feels different than the salt-heavy breeze of the river. It feels grounded and significant. It's a place that asks you to pause and consider the costs of freedom and the names of those who stood their grounds when the world was in upheaval. To walk this path is to honor a legacy of bravery that helped forge the spirit of the modern world right here in the quiet heart of the hostess city.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.